IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like wearing sunglasses? Band 5 answer.
Yeah, I like wearing sunglasses because they look cool. I wear them when it's sunny outside.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas, short sentences, limited development. Lexical resource. Everyday words, cool, sunny, little variety. Grammar. Mostly simple tenses, lacks complexity. Pronunciation. Clear enough, but may have issues with stress or rhythm. Typical of a band 5. Understandable but simple, with limited vocabulary and detail. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really enjoy wearing sunglasses, especially when I'm driving or spending time outdoors. They not only protect my eyes from the sun, but also make me feel more confident.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and natural delivery with elaboration. Lexical resource, good range, protect, confident. Grammar, variety of structures with good control. Pronunciation, clear and natural rhythm. Typical of a band 7.5. Fluent, expressive, with minor lapses in sophistication. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely! I wear sunglasses almost every day because they're both practical and stylish. They shield my eyes from harsh sunlight, and, to be honest, they add a bit of personality to my outfit.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, well-developed, and engaging. Lexical resource, excellent range, harsh sunlight, add a bit of personality. Grammar, fully flexible with complex yet accurate structures. Pronunciation, natural intonation, stress, and clarity throughout. Typical of a band 9. Effortless fluency, natural tone, and highly expressive vocabulary. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.